Welcome back to the Wizard Shop, and the Wichita area is full of YouTubers. There's lots of automotive YouTubers. You guys might actually know the guy that owns this car, this Lamborghini Diablo. But there's been a lot of YouTubers actually come through the shop, and this is a compilation of all of them that have been here at the various times. I hope you guys really enjoy it. And also, today is the day that Car Issues Season 2 is out. So make sure to check that out on Motor Trend. You don't want to miss that. Click the link below and it'll take you right to it. Enjoy the video, guys. Welcome back to the Wizard Shop. We're here to celebrate 20 years of very special something in the shop. And Hoovie's with me.
I'm definitely not 20.
You're not 20?
I wish.
None of my kids are 20.
I'm aging terribly, actually.
You're aging terribly.
So what's this for?
Well, you'll find out here in a minute.
Yeah?
First, let's get the party started.
Okay. That's a little excessive. You know, I love butane. It was great with chocolate. You just melted a candle.
It sure did, didn't it?
So who's going to blow it out?
I guess you can.
I blow out a kid, 20-year-olds. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, those. I knew they were trick candles. Wizard. I hate trick candles. You're going to burn down your shop.
There we go. Today I have Hoovie with me, and we have another special guest. We're going to go check on him here in a minute. He's
A new employee.
A new employee.
Finally. Wizard needs help. I have too many hoopties here broken.
I finally had to hire somebody. I found him on the street. He's a pretty good mechanic is what he says, but we'll find out. Let's head over there and see how he's doing. What'd you find?
I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing with this. It does not, dude, I've tried everything. I've tried putting it like this, like that.
That's a distributor off of a Chevy or something.
No, it goes here.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
It's a wheel speed sensor or something?
Yeah,
it's a wheel speed sensor?
Yeah. That makes sense.
It's the wheelinator.
I can see what he's
Wheelinator?
Yeah. Yes. That's where, no?
Sure. If that's where you think it goes, I guess we'll go with it.
He's the expert.
I need a job.
You need a job?
I need a job.
I am job.
I am job. Welcome back to the Wizard Shop. We have a very, very awesome, authentic replica of the Back to the Future time machine. And with me here today is Bob Mosley of Bob's Prop Shop in Dallas, Texas. Tell us about it. What do you do, the Ecto 1?
We do all the movie cars from the 80s. We do the DeLorean Time Machine replica, Ghostbusters Ecto 1, Knight Rider, Jurassic Park, the A-Team, Scooby-Doo. Right now we're doing the weed van from Up in Smoke.
Oh, sweet.
The P10 van.
Yeah.
We're doing a Knight Rider with an LS conversion in it right now. And we're building our 30th time machine at the shop.
30th?
Right 30th, yeah. This car is my 6th car, which was a car that we sold on a TV show called Auction Kings on Discovery Channel back in 2011. And the guy that bought the car just stored it in his warehouse all these years, never touched it. And now all of a sudden he wanted to, sell it back to me. He asked me if I wanted it.
As you probably know, Hoovie, if you've watched Top Gear, how do you back up a Countach?
Yeah.
Can you demonstrate that?
Oh, yeah.
You just
sit on the sill.
Sit on the sill and you poke your head up around this corner.
Yeah.
And you've got enough of a giraffe neck, you can pull that out.
Thank you.
You ready to lift this thing up and take a look at it with me? Are you actually sleeping in this thing?
It's very relaxing, but there are voices telling me to do things.
Like
buy cars, but that's always in my head.
We'll get this thing on the lift and check it out.
I thought I could communicate with the dead, but I don't have that, unfortunately.
You don't have that sixth sense?
No.
You don't see dead
creepy,
people?
But nice. It's relaxing.
It's quiet in there, isn't it?
Very quiet.
It's finally done. After all this time, multiple different videos, you guys have seen War Turtle, and you have seen all the different things we've gone through. We're going to go through what we've done to this vehicle and how much we've spent to get it this far. Where'd you come from?
Well, my ears were burning.
Your ears were burning.
Are you calling me a moron or something?
No, I'm just saying I fixed this myself and saved a lot of money.
Well, aren't you special?
Okay. Those are nice sunglasses.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, I gifted this thing. I found it at auction for you for, what was it, $700?
Yeah. It was like I said, it was on death's door.
Yeah. Well, how much would I have spent if I had decided I love this thing, I'm going to keep it. It's mine.
Probably
and it's not
over
yours.
Probably over $4 grand.
$4,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds angry.
You see?
Yeah, air conditioning's good. All right. It does sound angry, Wizard.
Angry turtle.
Flowers. Well, congratulations, Wizard. Hopefully you keep this thing more than 2 weeks like you normally do.
I've kept it longer than I normally would have.
You have?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a cool little car.
It is cool.
And now it has the flower to complete the package.
It is.
We'll turn here.
Yep. E-brake test. It works.
All right.
Rally stage.
Poor little beetle.
It's fixed.
Yeah.
It's great that it's not my car. I can drive it like this.
Yeah. Poor turtle's thinking, what in the hell just happened?
It's awesome.
It's like a little go-kart.
It is. Super fun. I should have kept it. I should have spent the $4,000.
You should have spent the $4,000.
It would have been worth it. You wonder why my cars break so often.
It's the Hoovie driving experience.
A good stress tester. Volkswagen should hire me. Golf clap. Completed YouTube project. That's pretty rare these days.
Yeah, there's not many of those on YouTube, is there?
Very good.
But before we get diving into this too deep, we definitely need the Bug Ninja here for a Volvo.
Hey, David.
Ask for the Bug Ninja and he appears.
I'm here.
Yeah.
This is a treat.
A treat, huh?
Yes, yes.
It is a beautiful car.
Yeah.
You can see that the guy named it Gustav.
Yeah, it's a popular name for Volvos.
Popular name. We have a friend that named his Volvo
Yes,
Gustav.
we do.
Yeah.
I sold him that car.
There's some weird emblems going on. This looks like a Porsche emblem, but it's got a moose.
Right. It's Volvo owner humor.
Okay.
Right? The prancing moose on the side. I like it. I had a set on the wagon that I had at one time when I had a V60. I love these cars.
Our friend we talked about that named his Volvo Gustav is still pestering me about buying this one. He's up to 10,000. He's like, come on, 10,000.
Good luck. I doubt that this customer is going to let go of this car anytime soon.
No, I don't think so. So here we are with Jared from Wrench Everyday, and we stopped by this area, this entire line of cars behind me. It's all electric. If you check on the tires, non-skid. It even says it right on the tire.
Yeah, as opposed to the skidding tires.
Yeah.
So this one here would be the original Model P, performance model with ludicrous mode, as it's a twin motor.
One motor for each wheel. Tesla did not invent the dual motor. What kind of mods could you do to this car, Jared?
Well, it's already got like the beautiful form factor and aerodynamic look, so I mean, you just LS swap it, right? And you put an LS in everything, or you know what? Let's do a 2JZ swap. Toyota Supermotor. We'll borrow the one that we saw on the concourse.
A 2JZ swapped his Banasuza. 1972 Otis with an 850cc engine, less than 1 liter. There's so many cool engines that could fit in this, Jared.
Oh, I mean, there's any number of 4 cylinders. You could go with a bigger Fiat engine. You can go with a Yugo engine, as weird as it is, or something modern and 4-cylinder and turbo.
An Ecotec?
Ecotec.
Yes.
That would turn this into a proper death trap, I think.
I think it would be overpowered.
Yeah. Which is sometimes just the right amount of power, too much, so.
Yeah. It's a Mark III.
I love this car. I'd love to drive one.
Yeah.
But that will never happen.
You probably can't fit in it?
I think the door would close on my neck.
Car Wizard, you've been so busy and it's so full through here. I hired you a new mechanic.
Oh, you hired a new mechanic?
I hired you a new mechanic. I think you might like him.
Jesus, I don't know why they gave this to me. This was way before my time. Mechanical fuel injection? Is it under here? Oh, jeez. This first day is not going well. Well, maybe if I take this off, I don't know.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, hey, what's up, Wizard?
Wait a minute, I know you.
Yeah? I'm here. Did I even tell you?
Mrs. Wizard, you hired Alex Palmieri?
Yeah, I thought he might be qualified to work on a Mercedes for you.
You didn't tell him?
Wow.
Yeah, I'm
Hey,
here.
that's great.
Yeah, Chicago is just kind of expensive. I got a little over my head with these cars, so I just need the extra cash.
Extra cash? It's
Yeah.
going to be quite a commute, though.
Well, it's only an hour and 45 minutes on an airplane.
On an airplane?
Yeah, it's not bad.
I don't know if I can pay you that much.
Well, I mean, you're giving me gems like this to work on. I mean, it's going to add up quick.
Yeah, especially with the cotton. That's a gem, isn't it?
Yes, I noticed the cotton. Is that a special edition on these?
That's customer edition. I don't even know what's going on with that.
Why is the cotton there?
I don't know. I have no idea.
So, when I applied, I might have messed up on the resume a little bit. I started in 2003, and they gave these to all the old timers, so I'm going to need a little bit of training on this guy.
Well, I guess while we're here, let's go check out some of the projects I've got going on. I'd like to
Excellent.
get your take on them.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's head on over to the Malibu.
This is a little intimidating.
It's going to have like Zonda sounds
Yeah.
in a 66 classic Malibu. It's going to be crazy.
This is like a Frankenstein of a Frankenstein.
Yeah, it's a
basically.
Frankenstein of a Frankenstein, yes.
What kind of license plates are you going to get? You got to get something catchy.
I don't know.
Frankenstein of Franken. We could fit that.
I could try. So this is my 1938 Oldsmobile L38.
This is yours and that's yours.
Yes.
So that's so cool. You have like your own personal projects going on, because a lot of times at shops, there's no time.
There's no time, yeah.
It's so cool you set it aside for this stuff. So
That's
it just
okay.
starts up like a normal car, right?
Kind of, sort of.
Kind of.
Okay.
So
here we go.
Put the key in the ignition.
On the ignition, that helps.
Turn it on.
Okay.
Clutch in, yeah.
Clutch in.
Clutch all the way down.
Okay, key. We're getting nothing.
Nothing there. That's not how you start these. Do you see there's a little tiny pedal that's circular up there?
Yeah. Oh, wait, that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So hold the clutch in as far as you can.
All right.
Push that down, all the way down. Now I'll turn that.
Whoa. Wait, so what is the purpose of that other one?
The pedal?
Yeah.
Actually physically engages the Bendix drive on the starter.
But why?
That's just how they did it back then. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. There's been a lot of different YouTubers come through the shop, and I'm sure there's many more to come. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss out. There's more good videos coming. And don't forget Car Issues Season 2. Click the link below, guys. You guys don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.